Hello.
I'm not gonna say that on the internet. But anyways, I'm here to tell you about this gun right here.
And we're his group, our rough and tough testing guys.
Yeah, and this is a very special hand dart gun that Nerf made. And it's pretty freaking
hard.
It's pretty freaking tough. I mean, you pull the trigger, it launches pretty fast. So
you got 25 psi.
And it forget what he said. How much psi it is?
Sorry.
Anyways,
why'd it freeze?
I have no idea. But anyways, but it
well, the thing is,
it shoots.
It shoots really hard. Now I'm gonna test it on my trusty handyman. All right.
Bye.
All right, Matt. When you get shot, it may push you back. You fall back. I'm gonna catch you.
All right. There. No, don't.
And ready to fire.
A little back. Right,
perfect.
Right there. Now I call that a hard.
All right, let's fire off another round, but he's gonna fire off right at my stomach.
Yeah, they're just exaggerating codes. But anyways,
we're trying to make it look awesome.
Anyways, you're gonna see a dart, or at least you're hoping you can see a dart fly by. There's gonna be a dart flying by the.
Yeah, there is.
Whoa! You
better. And then now go.
Can you see that?
Anyways.
If you couldn't, you have a serious blindness problem. But either that or the dart's moving too fast to be seen.
Yes, it is.
We're gonna say goodbye.
See you
later.
See you.